Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Fortitude aka CyberCypher, and today in this video we are going to see how to solve the user is not in sudoers list error in Debian. Let's say you have installed a latest and a new fresh installation of Debian Linux on your computer and you try to run a command on terminal. For example, let's just open up terminal, and inside terminal let us run a sudo command. So it's let's say sudo apt get, and let us type our password, and now you can see that my user is not in the sudoers file. So we can actually fix this error. Most probably every newbies will get scared when you see this error, and you'll just uninstall Debian and go for another Linux distribution. But actually you can fix this error very simply. Watch this. So first of all, you need to know what is your root user's password. So basically the root user password will be set on the installation of Debian, so you should remember that. So in my case I have set it a password on the installation, and if you are facing this error in any other distributions, then you should refer to the official forum or documentation of that distribution, so that you'll get an idea of what is the root user's password. So let me just go to root user by typing su. We cannot execute sudo su because we are not in the sudoers file yet, so sudo su is not allowed. So su, hit enter and type your root user's password, and we are inside root user. Now type cd and then type sudo sudo, and now we are inside this this file. Okay, so we can just maximize this. Okay, so from here what we do is we need to scroll down to the line where we see root tab all equals all. So this is the line that I meant to that I meant, and now you need to type your user here. So in my case it's Siddharth, so Siddharth tab, and you should type all and open bracket, and before that you need to type equals all is to all space all. That's it. Control O, enter, and Control X. And now when we just exit the file, exit, clear, and now when we run an apt update command, it will ask for the password, and there we go. So now we can actually execute the command. Okay, so this is how it works. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.